So the cruise control mechanism of my Camry has broken, as you can see here. This is supposed to be inside and it has come out. So I can try to push it back in, but I'm sure it will not. So the first step in doing this job is remove the negative terminal and stow it away so that it cannot touch it, because you don't want the airbag module to be powered up while doing the job. It can be dangerous, so make sure first of all you remove this. The tools needed for the job is a ratchet set and a Torx T50. This one. This is needed for removing the two screws which are holding the airbag inflator unit. I'll show you. So the first step is going to be removal of this clip. Easily removed. The same sort of clip is on the other side. This is how it looks. So this one is the screw on the left side of the steering wheel, and there is a similar screw exactly on the right side, right next to the cruise control stalk. There, up there, you can see it. Torx bit is properly seated in there, like this, and then now opening it. Yes, it has been loosened. Similarly, do the same thing on the other side. Once it is properly seated in there, then you can loosen it like this. It's not that hard. Once you have done this, you can remove it, and you can see this inflator unit is also getting loose. I'll show you from another angle. There it is. You can put it here like this so that it does not fall. And this is the cruise control stalk being secured by these two screws. I'll open these two screws, remove this grip, and this can be pulled in from here. Then I'll put the new one in. So these are the two screws. Screw number 1, screw number 2, and there is a lock for this grip. You can press it like this and remove it. This grip is removed. Remove both screws. So both screws removed. This grip has been removed. All I need to do is just slide it out from here. There goes the old one. In comes the new one. Just slide it in. Go like this. Tighten the screws and put the grip back in. So I put the screws in. All I need to do is just tighten. So the screws have been tightened. I'll put the grip in. Like this. This is complete. So I'll just put the airbag inflator assembly back, and that's it. There is no lock. There are only two screws, one on this side, one on that side. So all we need to do is make sure nothing else is loose. We go back in like this. and start putting in the screws. So now the only step remaining is tightening these bolts back. So this has been tightened. Now let's connect the battery and then see if it is working fine. So the moment of truth, let's see if yes, it is working. So it is working fine. It is a little harder when it is used like this, this and this, but the button is absolutely fine. I think it is new, maybe that's why it's a little hard to use, and it will get softer with time, but it's working fine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.